Hello, my name's Richard and welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. Thanks for watching. This is our stunning 2014 64 plate Mini Cooper. It's the Cooper D Countryman All4, so it's the four-wheel drive model. Only covered 16,000 miles with full mini service history. Over £4,000 worth of factory options. It's got the 18-inch double spoke alloy wheels, which are the black and diamond cut around the edge. It's got the chili pack with the half leather seats. It's also got the 3-spoke sport steering wheel, which is a multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. It's got the dark colour line interior, so the interior dials are dark rather than a normal white. It also benefits from a black styling pack, so around the front lights, the side indicators and around the rear lights it's in gloss black. Just looking at the rear parking sensors there. This also has the rear privacy glass. It's got the very nice quality Harman Kardon premium sound system. It's got the DAB radio, and it does have the sport button. It's got the USB audio interface, and it does have the LED daytime running lights down and the fog lights down the bottom, which is a really nice little option on these. Looks really nice and modern. We are running the summer promotion. We've got a 2-year RAC warranty included in the price of this car. It's the best one the RAC do. It's the platinum warranty, and it's an all mechanical, all electrical warranty, and you also get 12 months RAC membership with Home Start, accident care, roadside assistance and recovery. This has, as I might have said, it's got DAB radio. It's also got the Bluetooth phone preparation as well. This really is a stunning car. Looks really nice in the metallic black, and the 18-inch upgrade wheels are fantastic. We've recently had 2 new tyres fitted. Hopefully you can see the LED running lights in the video. Also, you did pick up the gloss surrounds around the front lights. Thank you very much for watching.